Sir, are you an astronaut?
Yes, because my ass is out of this world.
It's Thursday morning, and we're just about ready to put this thing down on the dyno and see what it does. Came in for a couple bolt-on modifications. I'll probably show Frank working on this thing at some point during this video. But yeah, we'll see what it puts down. Javi's gonna come over and tune it this evening and hopefully see a lot of flames shoot out of that bad boy right there. So what is going on here, Frank?
We are currently working on installing a boost controller on this Ariel Atom. That's what we're currently doing.
All right. Ready to make all the boost?
It will, yeah. This thing's going to be pretty rowdy for sure. Looking forward to see what it's going to actually do.
What number do you think it's going to make?
I don't know, anything over 400 will be ridiculous by far.
All right, so Frank says over 400. We shall see. Sir, are you an astronaut?
Maybe. But I'm still classified.
Okay.